In this video, part 2 of forward splits, I'm going to be teaching you 3 new poses to help you warm up and get into your forward splits more comfortably. I'm Damon with Evansville Power Yoga. Let's get started. In supported standing leg raise one leg to the height of your hip using a chair, a sofa, or a table. Square your hips and hinge from your waist, bringing your chest toward your raised foot. Hold for 7 to 10 breaths. Rise up to a stand and twist your torso the direction of your raised leg. Stand up nice and tall and lift through the crown of your head. In half monkey pose, bring one hip over your knee and extend the other leg to the end of your mat. With a flat back, lean forward towards your extended foot. Flex your foot and draw your toes towards your chest. From half monkey, begin to slide your front heel forward slowly. Observe the tension and breathe. I suggest placing blocks or support underneath your hands for stability. The goal is to notice deep sensation and not to force your body to the ground. As a progression to the pose, you can also stack blocks underneath your sits bones. Sit up tall and breathe. In parts 1 and 2, we gave you 8 different poses to warm you up and get you ready for your forward splits. Do these 2 to 3 times a week and you'll be in your forward splits in no time at all. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to click on the subscribe button for updates on content.